I got some lamb chops, which I'm going to be grilling today. This is a combination of olive oil, garlic, rosemary, thyme, and a little bit of salt, which I infused together over a couple of hours, then strained it so I would just have the olive oil and maybe a little bit of the residue from the onions. That is to prevent the garlic from burning when I grill these. As a little bit of a marinade, I'm going to take a little bit of this solution, just put it on each of my little lamb chops. And I'm going to let that set for at least a half an hour or so before I grill it. I've already done the other side. So this is this side. I'm not going to add any additional salt to it because there is salt in this marinade. Today we're going to be cooking some lamb chops. And I've got some pre-trimmed lamb lollipops here. We'll put them on. We're going to cook them to a rare because they're not going to be on here very long. I have them coated with olive oil that has been infused with some rosemary, thyme, salt, and a little bit of white pepper. And the reason for coating them is to get some flavor onto them. In addition, I strained out the olive oil to get rid of the chunks because I didn't want the garlic to burn. And putting it on the grill like that, it has a high probability of burning. I'm going to cook them approximately 1 to 2 minutes per angle. So I'm going to do the crosshatch marks on them using the grill grate. So I'll turn them approximately 90 degrees to get those grill grate marks. That one is like at 118. Okay. I said that would be a quick cook, and it was. And I always try to keep my greens clean. So I've given a nice little just scrub down. And the heat from the grill will char that. I'm first going to add the olive oil, the red wine vinegar, garlic, oregano, and the red chili flakes. And those chili flakes are to taste. If you don't like it hot and don't like anything spicy, back off. If you want a little bit more heat, add a little bit more. It's up to you. Here, I have my salt, pepper, and my fennel pollen. I'm going to blend these ingredients. Just a real quick blend to get them going. Then I'm going to add my parsley and my mint. And we'll blend those all up. What you'll find, you'll have to go in and sort of push stuff down in the bowl. It may be a little thick. If you don't want it this thick, add a little bit more olive oil to it. But I think this is going to be the right consistency for me. See, it doesn't take very long. And we've got our mint parsley chimichurri sauce. You also want to taste it to make sure that it has enough salt for you, and pepper, and heat. If you want to put more rich pepper flakes in there, you can do that also. I'm just going to I think it's good as is. Here we have it, mint parsley chimichurri sauce, which could be used with all sorts of meat. Doesn't have to be lamb, could be beef, could be chicken. You can also put it as a dip for other type of things that you may want to eat, just for a real nice little treat. Mint chimichurri sauce.